Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Crosse Technology 512 to 85937 Atomic Digital Wall Clock User Manual. Specifications. Power up. Insert two AA batteries into your outdoor sensor. Insert two AA batteries into your atomic clock. Enter the settings menu to adjust your time and date. Once the sensor is reading to your clock, place the sensor outside in a shaded location. Atomic time. The clock will search for the atomic time signal at power up in UTC 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. The atomic time signal icon will flash while searching and be solid when it is connected. From the normal time display, hold the minus button to manually start or stop a search for the WWVB time signal. Settings menu. Hold the set button until the display changes to enter the settings menu. Press and release the plus or buttons to adjust values. Hold to adjust quickly. Press and release the set button to confirm values and move to the next setting or exit the menu. Settings menu order. Atomic time. If atomic off is selected, the menu will skip the DST and time zone settings and move straight to the 12-24-hour time format setting. Daylight saving time. If you live in an area that follows DST, keep this setting on. If your area does not follow DST, turn this setting off. Weekday. Your weekday display will adjust automatically once you have your year, month, and date settings set correctly. Time alarm. Set alarm. Silence a sounding alarm. Activate/deactivate alarm. Forecast icons. Forecast trend arrows. Fahrenheit or Celsius. Press and release the set button to switch between Fahrenheit or Celsius temperature display. Your clock will stay on the selection. Temperature trend arrows. Low battery indicator. Low battery icon by outdoor temperature. Replace batteries in the outdoor sensor. Low battery icon by indoor temperature. Replace batteries in the clock. Button functions. Sensor weather shield. Search for outdoor sensors. Care and maintenance. Do not mix different types of batteries. Always use the correct size and grade of battery. Replace all batteries at the same time and avoid mixing old and new ones. Clean the battery and device contacts before installing new batteries. Ensure correct polarity when installing batteries. Remove batteries from devices during non-use to prevent leakage and damage. Promptly remove used batteries and recycle them according to local regulations. Warnings. Radio frequency interference. The clock may experience interference from other electronic devices that emit radio waves, such as cell phones, cordless phones, and wireless routers. Temperature sensitivity. The clock should be kept in a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity sensitivity. The clock should be kept in a humidity range of 10% to 90%. Battery replacement. Replacing the batteries when they are low is important, as this can affect the clock's accuracy and functionality. Power outage. If the power goes out, the clock loses its signal and displays an incorrect time. Magnetic fields. Strong magnetic fields, such as those generated by magnets or electrical equipment, can interfere with the clock's signal and cause it to lose accuracy. RF exposure. The clock emits a low-level radio frequency signal. Troubleshootings. Radio frequency interference. Avoid placing the clock near other electronic devices that emit radio waves, as this can disrupt its signal. Temperature sensitivity. Keep the clock in a temperature range of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent damage and ensure accurate timekeeping. Humidity sensitivity. Maintain a humidity level between 10% and 90% to avoid condensation and protect the internal components. Battery replacement. Replace the AA batteries promptly when they become low to prevent accuracy issues. Power outage. Be aware that the clock will lose its signal and display an incorrect time during power outages, but it will automatically reset when the power is restored. Magnetic fields. Avoid placing the clock near strong magnetic sources, as they can interfere with its signal. RF exposure. The clock emits a low-level radio frequency signal that is well below safe exposure limits. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.